The festive season is coming up and we're all waiting to adorn ourselves in beautiful dresses and enjoy the events. So here I am bringing you few classy yet comfortable clothing to make your memories even more special. Due to the current situation, we may not be able to venture out visiting families and friends, but come se come, we can dress up beautifully and make the event as gorgeous as you. है ना? Welcome back to Living Trends. This is Babita and I bring content on fashion, lifestyle, product reviews and much more. If you like this content, consider subscribing and I am sure you won't be disappointed because there are loads and loads of interesting videos lined up for you. So stay tuned. Okay, now let's dig into the details. This one is a very pretty suit from Libas and serves as a perfect party wear or an evening wear. It has an angled V-neck and styled with a contrast lace around the neckline. Very neatly done. The back neck is boat shaped with a 3/4 inch depth. The lace runs from the neckline all through the yoke until the bottom hemline of the kurta. The sleeves are really good, looks very pretty. It has contrast prints and are 3/4 in length. The lace is given at the cuffs and it looks very classy. Very neatly done and it looks very pretty. The print might look too much on the screen guys, but in reality it doesn't look that bad. It actually looks very elegant. Front and back, same design. It's an anarkali kurta and this kurta has two parts, the yoke part and the flare. These tiny little frills all through the waistline gives enough flare to the kurta and it actually looks very pretty. It really looks beautiful and elegant when worn. The best part is the fabric is pure cotton even as a party wear and it feels very comfortable on skin. Need not worry about wearing it for long hours in the party. The lace is given all through the bottom hemline and it looks very pretty. It adds to the overall beauty of the kurta. The pajama is cotton again and it comes with contrast prints. The waistline is partially elasticated. One side it has elastic and on the other side it is a cotton waistband. Elastic is soft, it doesn't hurt the skin. It has a parallel fit and a lace is given at the bottom of the pajama. At the bottom hemline of the pajama. It has zigzag prints and the fabric isn't transparent at all. It's cotton and it feels very comfortable on skin. Pajama has pockets on both sides. Wait, it's an anarkali kurta and what's the use of the pockets then? I don't understand. Anyways, dupatta is very pretty. I loved it. It's pure chiffon with lace and patchwork detailing on all four sides of the dupatta. Dupatta fabric is so soft and it feels very good on the skin. Doesn't cause any irritation. You can see the lovely lace going all through the all four sides of the dupatta. It's a beautiful set guys. Go ahead and buy it. You will definitely like it. I'm sure about it. This is another beautiful kurta set from Libas. It's a nice color, sober and very elegant looking kurta set. It has kurta, pajama and dupatta. Libas has come up with beautiful collection. I'm loving their collection these days. Okay, this kurta has Chinese collared neck with lace and sequins detailing at the yoke. It's a Chinese collared high neck and has lace and sequins detailing at the yoke. Very neatly done. The back neck is high since it is Chinese collared. There's this beautiful sequence with lace and chunky work at the yoke which adds so much elegance and making it a perfect party wear or an evening wear. It's a closed neck and has a small slit opening at the neckline, but it isn't deep at all, can comfortably wear it. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and has lace detailing at the cuffs. Again, very neatly done, looks very pretty. It's an anarkali kurta and has a top yoke part and the flare part. It has actually good flare and makes the kurta look so elegant and adds to the overall beauty of the suit. Very good flare. A lace detailing is given all through the bottom hemline of the kurta. It's again very neatly done and looks pretty. The floral print looks pretty and it also has tiny polka dots adding to the overall beauty of the kurta. Front and back it's the same design. Fabric is cotton and we can comfortably wear it for long hours at the party. Pajama is cotton again and it comes with partially elasticated waistband. Elastic is very soft, it doesn't dig into the skin. Cotton waistband on one side and elastic on the other side. It's a parallel fit style and it has lace detailing at the bottom hemline of the pajama. Pajama also has tiny polka dots print. Looks nice. Fabric feels great and it isn't transparent at all. Feels very good on the skin. It has pockets on both sides of the pajama and it is really comfortable when worn. The fabric of the dupatta is net and it looks so beautiful. Really, it has beautiful lace work on all four sides of the dupatta. The fabric is knit but still it looks very elegant and it actually adds to the overall beauty of the kurta set. It's a very sober yet classy looking set, guys. I mean, you can definitely give it a try in case you like it. Guys, it takes a lot of effort in making these videos, so I request you to please give it a like if you feel this content is worth a thumbs up. It really helps my video to go into YouTube recommendations based on the likes I get. So yeah, consider giving it a like, only if you like it though. Okay, this one is one of my favorites. I literally loved it. It's from the brand Libas. It's a pure cotton anarkali kurta set, lovely looking set. Definitely serves as a perfect evening wear or a party wear. The neckline is unique and more like an Angarka style with the lace and patch running all through the neck and angled yoke. Looks very neat. Back neck is boat-shaped with half-inch depth. These tiny frills at the waistline gives flair to the kurta. And there's a string with a bow given on one side of the kurta, adding to the style. The flare is pretty good and there's a lace detailing running through the hemline of the kurta. Very neatly done. Looks pretty and neat. Fabric is pure cotton and it feels very comfortable when worn. Front and back, same prints. Sleeves are 3/4 in length and it is styled like bell sleeves, which looks so cool, and a lace detailing at the cuffs adds to the style statement. Looks very pretty, guys. Contrast pajama looks so beautiful. I again loved it so much. Comes with partially elasticated waistband. One side it is plain cotton and on the other side it is elastic. Elastic is good, doesn't hurt the skin. It's a parallel fit pajama and looks pretty with zigzag prints. There's a ribbon patch given at the bottom hemline. Fabric is skin friendly and it isn't transparent at all. It has pockets on both sides of the pajama. Very comfortable when worn. Dupatta is so beautiful, guys. The print, the fall of the fabric, the lace, everything is so classy about this dupatta. It has zigzag prints on the body of the dupatta and floral prints on the sides. Very pretty. Beautiful lace is given on all four sides of the dupatta. I mean, I love the fall of the dupatta when worn. Looks gorgeous. Fabric feels soft on the skin. Beautiful set. You will love it. Mark my words. Go for it if you like it. Guys, to purchase any of the sets shown in this video, click on my haul pack link that I have given in the description. One link for all the sets. You can buy the ones that you like. When you use that link, I get a tiny commission at no extra cost for you. So yeah, use that link if you want to buy any of these suits. Thanks. This is a very pretty kurta set from Libas again. Pure cotton. Simple yet elegant looking set. It has kurta, dupatta and pajama. You have this gorgeous feel when you wear this set actually. Pretty looking. The kurta is very classy with a round neck and it has a tiny slit at the yoke. It is styled with silver gota patti work around the neckline and the yoke. Very neat looking. Back neck is boat shaped with half-inch depth. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and there is the silver gota patti work at the cuffs as well. Very neatly done. Looks nice. This silver gota patti lace is actually given at the neckline, yoke and at the side slits of the kurta and also all through the bottom hemline of the kurta. It's given on the side slits and all through the hemline of the kurta. Looks very pretty. Lace is not given on the back slits. The print is very beautiful and the fabric, since it's pure cotton, it is very comfortable to wear for long hours as well. Front and back it does same prints again. This is an A-line kurta and it has a nice curve from the bust to the hips, giving the kurta a beautiful shape. Gives a perfect fit when worn. Very elegant kurta, guys. The pajama is partially elasticated at the waistband and the elastic is good, doesn't hurt the skin. It has pockets on both sides of the pajama. It is useful because here the kurta is A-line. Yeah. It's a parallel fit and silver gota patti lace is given at the bottom hemline as well. Fabric is cotton and it is not transparent at all. It has floral prints and looks contrast to kurta. Fabric feels very comfortable on skin actually. Dupatta is pure chiffon with gota patti lace and ribbon patch on all four sides of the dupatta. Actually, the fall of the shawl is so good and the fabric feels very soft. This lace actually adds to the overall beauty of the shawl. It's a very simple yet classy suit, so go ahead if you like it. Now I really hope you like it. If yes, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Also share it with your friends if you feel it's worth sharing. Until I see you in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it up. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned.